Hey guys, it's Ala, long time. So I wanted to tell you all about our Croatian adventure. There's a lot of water and waterfalls and lakes, and I just wanted to show you little bits that I managed to film. I didn't actually film too much on the trip, but we had quite a few adventures. We lost our luggage. Johnny got food poisoning. Then he also dropped his phone and into the water, so we lost his phone. But apart from that, we did actually really enjoy Croatia. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video and see all the things that we've been up to. And by the way, I'm officially opening waitlist to my cheesecake course. It's still far away, but if you like to be an early bird, then you might want to put your name down, put your name and email address, make sure they're correct for upcoming cheesecake course in November. And enjoy. So what just happened?
And they lost their luggage after we manifested it.
No, basically they lost my luggage. What the hell?
Most of us.
Oh my god, that's gorgeous. We're in Split. Look through the windows, doesn't look that good. So yeah, I have no luggage, I have no clothes, I have no liquids, no face creams, no nothing. Apparently it's gonna be here tomorrow. They lost it in Düsseldorf, in Germany. Out of all the countries, they lose it in Germany, no?
I know.
And
so
Johnny,
much for efficiency and accuracy.
and then Johnny keeps saying like, you know, Germany's so organized and all of this, and actually it's been one of the most unorganized places we've been so far. So yeah, let's fingers crossed it's actually gonna arrive tomorrow. Wow, this is very, very pretty. Well, welcome to Croatia. Hello. How do you feel being in Croatia already?
So far so good, besides they lost the bags, but yeah. It looks gorgeous.
It looks amazing. Wow. We have just arrived in our apartment in Croatia. Well, this is for the vlog. I think the camera's dirty. Hang on, guys. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, it's actually so much bigger than I thought. It's insane. This is a vlog. Look at this space. It's very, very spacious. Oh, could you open that thingy for the bedroom? Yeah. Look at this bathroom. It's very modern. I like it. Apart from my luggage being lost, this is pretty good. But the view is what makes it. Jeez, that's amazing. I didn't know we have view from the bedroom as well. Wow. Look at this greenery. I think that's super pretty. The ocean, and then the sunset here. We have a little table outside. Wow. I don't know how we're gonna go back to living without ocean view now.
I don't think we are.
You look great in the sun. It's the golden hour look.
We'll take some photos real quick.
Oh man, this is gorgeous. It's pretty nice and fresh actually. So we had a situation today. Excuse my hair and my look. Barely slept all night. Johnny had like a severe food poisoning last night. He was like throwing up and all sorts of things. It was bad. I have no clothes to wear his stuff because my luggage is not here. So yeah, so far it's been a very interesting experience. By the way, tracking my luggage. Hopefully it's going to be on a plane tonight to get here in the evening. But I went into like, you know, this website to just double check, and they got my email wrong. They didn't put my phone number, and they put my delivery address to London. Like, it's crazy. Imagine if I didn't check, they wouldn't be able to contact me and they would send my luggage to UK. This is crazy to me. Like, I don't understand how people make these mistakes. It's too early, but it's very pretty. Made myself breakfast. Eggs, watermelon. We got watermelon last night. Gosh, this view is amazing. Poor babies, not feeling well. Got some German butter. Hey guys, so Johnny's feeling pretty bad. He's gonna stay in bed. He's actually stayed in bed all day. I worked all day, super productive day, feel really good. Oh, first time getting outside is 5 o'clock. I need to find a supermarket so I can make him some food. He can't really eat much, but I'm gonna do some rice, plain rice, and some soup maybe or something. And I also need food for me. I basically had breakfast and then I had like fruit all day. It's not really the healthiest thing. I mean, fruit is good for you, but it's not filling any protein. So yeah, I'm gonna go explore. Interesting fact, it's warmer right now at 5 o'clock than it was at like 12 and 1. It's weird. So far it's interesting. Yeah, we do. Basically, Johnny's called loads of places to rent a scooter, and he found one which is like 30 euros a day. That's like 40 bucks a day, which is quite expensive for a scooter. Anyway, we get here and the guy basically is like, no, it's double. It's like 60 euros a day. And Johnny was speaking to his wife on the phone, and I don't know if she got the wrong numbers or whatever, but yeah, now we don't have a scooter right now because that's just ridiculous. Like we need it for a week, you know, paying like nearly, is it like 600 euros for a scooter? That's just madness, no? So yeah, so we're gonna try and go in the city. And I'm so hungry, wearing a sexy dress, sexy outfit. Gonna eat. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just me, but like even this restaurant is like crazy. It says 100 euros for 1 kilo of fish. It's just random, very random. Don't know what's going on with Europe. I think we need to go back to Thailand or Mexico. Tuna tartare. It's the tiniest tuna tartare. Johnny's hungry. The baby tomahawk. I thought it would be on the bone, you know?
Yeah. That's what a tomahawk is.
Yeah, truffle smells so good.
It's smaller.
We got some pistachio cheesecake with a sunset view. Very nice. In this random place, that's cute. Spotted. Someone's getting a scooter. Just show a middle finger to the guy.
Hi, baby.
Hello. Hello. Well, good morning. Here's our scooter. Oh God, it's got a windshield, baby. That's serious.
Huh?
It's serious. It's got a windshield.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Ah. Got a whole day to go see waterfalls, some old town, some plants. Very exciting. Whee! And a boat even, and a swim later. Scooter looks pretty serious and scary.
Serious man. Top
You-
Gun.
We made it. We survived. It was actually very scary, but I trust this guy now, so I wasn't too scared. We got traditional. What is it, shrimp?
No idea.
It's a traditional burek with meat. It was just freshly baked, so it's super hot and it's tasty. We're walking the streets of Split.
Duck shop.
We're back in Split trying this delicious pastry. Very
Extra
nice.
cash and you don't know what to do with it, maybe you can buy some. My suggestion for you, if you want to feel like a local, maybe you can visit.
We just arrived in this town, Skranda.
Sure.
No, Skradin.
Skradin, yeah, I think that's pretty good actually. Yeah.
Very pretty. Is that what happening? What's happening?
Let's go.
My husband here. My husband is a little tired after drinking coffee.
Listens to the lessons? Listens to the tour guide?
Listens to the tour guide, but he's also a little tired. You know, a little sausage over there. It was very pretty town.
By the way, sausage is not an actual term.
Look at this, my pretty dress. So pretty. Wow, it's so pretty, babe.
Yeah, so that you can maybe take a picture or two and send the picture.
I guess I'm spoiled.
I know I filmed a lot, I just can't get enough how gorgeous it is. So pretty. Wow, pretty.
Thanks.
I don't know if camera gives it away how gorgeous it is. Very gorgeous. Aww, how are you enjoying?
Very cool.
So gorgeous, guys. I think this is the prettiest hike I've ever been in my life. Wow. So pretty!
bridge we were on.
That's it.
Woo! What do you have in there?
Frappe.
This
It's not a
is
picture,
my.
it's a video.
It is a video now. I took a picture already. This is amazing. Baby, what do you think?
Yeah, very cool.
Wow. This is insane. Just gorgeous everywhere. Oh my gosh. There it is. That's so cool. Wow, we're in a boat now. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. We just did a nice swim. That was so nice. So pretty here. Look. Yeah, I did. Look at my sexy husband. Ooh. So nice. We swam. It's very, very pretty. I tanned, even though I don't usually tan, but the water was actually very cold and we swam a little bit. Really nice town. I do like it. Now it's time to go to see the waterfalls.
There's a river going up the mountain.
Oh, this is a very pretty town. Wow. Very cool. Very green.
Yeah, but that'd be very fun, no? Stop for a quick bite in the mountains right next to the sea. It was insane.
Yeah.
This is not
Just sailing through Croatia with my husband. Wow.
Yep, level up again. Straight off my vision board.
Wow. So gorgeous. Hey, hubby.
Sexy. Sexy woman, sexy boat, sexy lake.
Wow. Just parking our boat. Never done this before. Johnny's really good at this stuff. Crazy. Found this like little town, you know. The first boat. How does it feel?
First park boat. This
Park
is great.
boat.
See if I did it right.
You did amazing.
The restaurant above the beach doesn't have the best.
Enjoying your boat day?
Very much. You should see my view.
Wow. Found this little town. Just got pistachio pizza with burrata and mortadella and truffle burger. And this guy. That's it, our days come to an end. We're driving back, amazing day. We got a little sunburned. It was so amazing. I didn't even manage to film anything that much, but yeah, Croatia, we love you. Oh gosh, look what happened today.
It's
Jeez.
little baby ones.
It looks really bad. And look at your legs. So basically, Johnny dropped the phone
Why did I drop the phone?
because I don't know.
Somebody wanted me off my phone?
No. So guys, we need help because dropped the phone in the salted water. He fished it out, but oh wow, so pretty. But we're worried they might not work anymore. Any tips? And also, you hurt yourself. Jesus. We just left